Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to find the exact value of each expression, starting with log base 10 of 40 plus log base 10 of 2.5. So in solving logarithms, typically you want to have 10 to some power, or whatever the base is, to some power equals the value that the log is taking on. And it doesn't seem obvious here what value 10 would have to be raised to equal 40. However, if we use a property of logs, which states that if you're adding two logs together and they have the same base, that is equal to the singular log of the product of these two numbers. So 40 times 2.5. Adding separate logs is equal to the singular log of their product. This is equal to 40 times 2.5 is 100, log base 10 of 100. Now we can solve this if we say log base 10 of 100 is equal to y. Then we know that 10 to the y is equal to 100 using the definition of a logarithm. 100 is 10 squared. Therefore, 10 to the y is equal to 10 squared. Bases are the same, therefore the exponents must be the same. Y is equal to 2. Next, we can do b. Just mark these as separate. We have log base 8 of 60 minus log base 8 of 3 minus log base 8 of 5. And in a similar way to where you're adding the logarithms, you can multiply them together. Here, if you're subtracting, then you take the first one and you can divide it by the thing that's being subtracted. So this can be log base 8 of 60 divided by 3 minus log base 8 of 5. This is log base 8 of 20 minus log base 8 of 5. Again, we have subtraction, so this is log base 8 of 20 over 5, which is log base 8 of 4. Now we just have to solve this. If we say log base 8 of 4 is equal to y, or sorry, let's say that's equal to x, because we already used y, then we know that 8 to the x equals 4. And just to keep it on the page, we're going to go this direction. 8 is equal to 2 cubed, so this is 2 cubed to the x. 4 is equal to 2 squared. 2 to the 3 to the x is equal to 2 to the 3 times x. And this is equal to 2 squared. Therefore, we know they have the same base, therefore their exponents must be the same. 3x is equal to 2, and x is equal to 2/3. Therefore, log base 10 of 40 plus log base 10 of 2.5 is equal to 2, and log base 8 of 60 minus log base 8 of 3 minus log base 8 of 5 is equal to 2/3.